Hi guys, so I received this Tigerstone Minimalist Wallet for men for reading purposes, and well, first I'm gonna take it out of the box so I can show it to you. It has this nice design on the box, so we will take it out. This, and here it is. Okay, it has a package with some screws. This is a proper wallet. Let me get this thing out of here first. It has this, so you can unscrew these parts if you wanna, well, change something, which is nice. And you can take it out. Here are the instructions to tighten it. The wallet, you screw it, so it's really easy. It has this money clip right here, which is really nice, and you put the cards in this slot like this. You put them on, slide them, and it stays like this. And if you want to take them out, you just press in here and take the card that you need. Okay, so it's really nice, very compact, and it has here some additional screws, which is always really nice to have. And this is a really nice minimalist wallet to give to someone because, well, first has a construction made of entirely metal, which is really nice, really protective. It can hold up to 20 cards, which is really nice. You know, sometimes you end up carrying more cards than you first thought, so it's really nice. It has this money clip, which is a function that I actually really like, that have these kinds of wallets. And it has RFID blocking technology, which is really nice. As you can see, it's smaller than just your regular wallet, so I'll be putting here the money clip, starting by that, which is quicker, safer. Like that. So it's a really nice minimalist wallet, which I really recommend.